Hello, my name's Carl Kochar and I'm a technical architect at Microsoft. In this video, I'm going to run through a Power Automate flow that I use to showcase how to build an automated Teams creation process. This is really useful because I can control how teams are built while also creating an approval process for any new Teams requests. To make life easy for the users, I've exposed the Teams creation parameters in a basic Power App and added that as a tab within Teams. My user Alan wants to create a new team for a campaign, so he fills in the form with appropriate information. As this is a demo, he will just use copy and paste to save time. However, one thing my app enforces is 2 owners per team, which then reduces the risk of having an ownerless team in the future. I also ensure a team has a classification label and the visibility is set. In my demo, guest access can be requested and up to 3 initial channels configured. I can also add some initial team members. Once the form has been completed, the configuration is submitted. In the background, my demo populates a SharePoint list and kicks off the Power Automate flow. As mentioned earlier, each new Teams request will need to be approved. There are loads of ways this could be done, but as this is a simple demo, my approval request arrives in the admin's Microsoft Teams client. The admin approves Alan's request and types in a comment. Once the Teams request is approved, the Power Automate flow continues to run. Just for interest, I'm showing the initial Microsoft call that's made, which uses the standard Teams JSON template to create the base team. Subsequently, a series of additional graph calls are made to build out the rest of the required team attributes. After a few minutes, the build process will complete. At the end of my Power Automate flow, I've configured an approval notification. For the demo, I've just sent it to the admin, but I could also send it to Alan or anyone else I chose to. Back on Alan's client, we can see that the virtual working campaign team has been created. You can also see it's been classified as confidential and has the 3 channels we configured. When we go to the management view, I can see the 2 owners that were assigned and also Anne, who's a member of the team. Based upon the guest policy we assigned, I can't add an external user, Megan, to the team. Just for interest, I'm quickly going to build a new team that does allow guest access and a single channel. This time when I enter Megan's email address, she can be added as a guest. This isn't meant to be a full production ready app, but hopefully does show how partners and customers can leverage the power of Microsoft Graph and the Power Platform to quickly deliver customized provisioning experiences.